Welcome students in my new tutorial for using OpenOffice, and today I'll be teaching you the use of drawing toolbar. Firstly, I'll be opening my OpenOffice writer. So at the bottom you could see this is my drawing toolbar. So if it is not visible on your computer, how to show it? So you have to click on view, toolbars, view, toolbars, and here you could see drawing. Now you could see there is no toolbar. So to bring it back, I'll click on view, toolbars, and then here drawing toolbar. So as a result, you will be able to see your drawing toolbar at the bottom. So there are different tools. So step by step, I'll be giving you the demo and how to use the tools, that also I'll be telling you. So first of all, this arrow is for selection. Okay. So this is used when we have to select any part of any shape. So directly now I'll be using the line shape. So I'll be clicking on this. As a result, there will be plus sign here and I can make a line like this. So I can make the line in any way, and if I'll press the shift key, then always it will make a straight line. So I hope this is clear to you. Now if I'll go towards the right side, you could see here properties. So firstly, the line width. If I'll click on this, and color of the line, and you could see here the changes. To set a default color or default property of your shape, suppose line. So when I'll select the line, this one, so I have to go to the property now before making the line, and then whatever I want to make, wait, the line is not selected. After selection, from here I can select the width, suppose 4.5 I am selecting, and from here I'll select the default color, suppose dark green I am selecting. Now whatever a line I'll be making, that will be of default properties. It will take the default properties what I have set. So if I have to change it, then manually I can do, suppose see, and color I am changing. But now when I'll make a new one, again it will take the default property, like it was set to green color. So I hope it is clear. The further properties, you can select style from here. You could see here, this is the default, and transparency means opacity. If I'll make it to, you could see the difference. And if I want to set the arrows, like suppose one side I want to set the arrow, you could see here arrow, you could see. Otherwise I'll take the new line, I'll use the select tool from here, select it, and now I'll make one arrow. You could see here, I think this is very much clear to you. Okay, I'll just rotate it. Rotate, for rotation, you know, this is a rotation option. I'll make it like this. One side you could see the arrow is there. If I want to make the arrow from another side also, here I can set from here. So I hope this is clear to you. And then even on the top you could see the options are here also. And if I click here line, you could see here line property dialog box comes in front, and from here also you can do the changes. Arrow style from here also, what you were able to see here. So that kind of options are coming here also. Here you can change the color. Okay, with right click also it comes. So I am showing you with right click the width. From here you can also do, and then style that I have already showed you, and even the width. Just see, this is the width of the arrow, the end points, you could see. So I'll do the undo command. So I hope this is clear how to use the shapes. And then okay, this option is coming here also. From here also you could do. Suppose I want to change here. Okay, it is changing. Here also it's changing, and from here also you could do the changes, and from here also you could do the changes. And suppose if this toolbar is not coming, it is coming from view toolbar, drawing object properties. You could see here now it is not coming. So on your computer, if it is not coming, click view toolbar, drawing object properties. Okay, so you have learned how to bring it back, view toolbars and drawing object properties. So this way also you can have a control upon your shape. Now further, what I was wanting to tell you about the points. You could see here, this is the points. If you click on these points, I'll click upon this point. You could see here edit points option is coming. Edit points option. So insert points. If I'll click on this insert point and then click it here, and I'll suppose I drag it down, you could see the shape. Like suppose this I can make. Now I'll off it. So it is something like this. And along with this, you could see here corner style, cap style. If I click on beveled, you could see here this edges will be changed. None, it is like this. None, you could see here. Rounded, see, smoothness is there. So there are little changes, and you can have control upon any shape with these points. So I've already told you how to use these points, and this is the way. And to move the points, like this, you can move the point always with the help of arrow. And to off it, you can click anywhere, it will be off. Anyway, so I think this is clear to you. Now I'm deleting, I'll take some other one, or simply I'll take a new document and I'll take some new shape. I'll be taking, suppose, rectangle. Although it is a rectangle, we can make square also with this. And now the properties, I can either go on the top, you could see here, either I can go here. Firstly, the fill. Suppose I want to color it. color, and from here I can select any color. So it's been done. And transparency, I hope it is clear to you. uh, different modes are given. Solid mode, so that will be clear when I'll take some other object. So I'll click on none only. The line width, this is the width of the line. The color of the line, suppose I'm taking blue, you could see here. Suppose along with this I'm taking some other shape, okay, or this only. One rectangle shape I have taken, and now with rectangle shape, transparency I'm taking solid. You could see here with the solid it is showing the bottom part of another shape, because here transparency is set to 50%. If I'll make it 100, nothing is being shown. If I'll make it to 0, now it is taking the full color. So I hope this is clear to you. Now taking the same example of a sphere, in fill I can use gradient also. Now just see gradient option, mixing of color, and with gradient now plenty of options are there, like pink gradient. And with pink gradient, okay, transparency is already I have told you. You could see here different transparency options, radial, okay, none if I'll do. And from here now with linear, suppose I've selected linear. In solid nothing was coming, but in linear here you could see degrees. It will change the degree of, that means the color variation it will change. It is, see, then different axial, radial, in a circle shape. So plenty of options are there, you can try yourself. See border, now I have changed the border. Okay, so this is clear. Now one thing more I want to tell you, in between if I want to add the text, I can use this one, text. Click on this text. Just make sure that when you click on the text, any shape should not be selected. So I'll just click it here, like my selection point is coming. Suppose I'm writing here, I am a sphere. Okay, I've just typed here I am a sphere, and then suppose I'm increasing the size, font, okay, font color, whichever I feel I can take. Now after that, when I've taken this, it is a part of a box. You just select the box. So after taking this box, right click it, and there you could see the text option. Just select this, and in text option where effect is there, you could click on blink. This is just example, plenty of options that is scroll through, scroll back and forth, scroll in. I'm using blink. Click on OK, and you will see the text which is inside I have written, it started blinking. That means it is a kind of animation. One example I can give in this. Again, firstly I have not to select this, okay, then I am taking the text, just click it here, I am a rectangle. Okay, I'll just increase the size, and now after that I'll just select it, right click, and here you will find the text. And from here, now I'll be giving some other options. Scroll through. So see, in this way we can give text effects inside a shape, or we can just write anything. So I hope this is also very much clear. Now once we have learned how to insert the text inside a shape, if we want to flip our shape, you could see here in properties there are two options: flip. So if I want to flip it vertically, you could see here now the text is in opposite direction because I have flipped. Again I'll flip it. It's okay now. So I hope this is clear. Now coming to next of the shapes, although the properties of the shapes are nearly same, next one is ellipse, making a circle, and then free form line. If you select this, you can make any kind of shape like this. Okay, so you can use in any way to draw some custom shapes. Then text animation, already just now I have taught you. Callouts. Callout means if you have shown some images. Wait, I'll taking one new text document for that. Suppose I'm taking one from gallery. Suppose I've taken this, and now I want to show something from here. Call out. Suppose I am taking one. So like this, if I want to write something, I can write here, I am a arrow. So like this, you can use the call outs. Okay. Then some further basic shapes. Nothing else in this, you can try yourself, otherwise my tutorial will be too long. Then these are the different callouts you can use. Here also different type of callouts are there. Cloud. Color, of course, you can select yourself, you know very well. From here you can select the background color. And text, I have already told you how to write. So from here you can do all the things. Then the next tool is using the stars, different kind of stars. And this is very interesting, font work gallery. So I'll select all, press delete key. Okay, this is very interesting, font work gallery. If I'll click on the font work gallery, you could see here the font work gallery. I have to select any font from here. Suppose I'm selecting this one, or plenty are there, it depends upon your choice. And I'll select this. Now you see here it is something looking like this. Double click it, and then you can type my IT class, and you could see here as a result, so what I have typed, it is in front. Okay, so it is a kind of a word art what we were doing in MS Word, and from here you can do the changes like this. It's here, font work, like this, like this. So you can try according to your choice. This is again alignments. This is normal according to the space what we need in between. Very loose, tight. So I hope you have learned all the things. This is from the file you want to add something. And the last option, if you select this extrusion on off, if I'll click this, you could see the changes. And from here I'm just clicking on extrusion, so this is the change it is showing me. And it is a kind of a 3D settings. Now it's off. When I'll on it, you could see here 3D settings on the top, on, off, and after this it changes, and then tilt down, see the changes. Tilt up, I'll rotate it. I'm using tilt up. Tilt left, then tilt right, and then depth. Depends how much depth you need. See, from here also you can do the changes with this hand. So I'll make it to 1. And when you'll press your hand like this, yellow, this option is coming. If you click on this with this hand, you can change from here also. Okay, although you have the option from here. And here direction, the direction you need. And then lighting, from where you want the lighting, that also you have the control, normal, bright, matte finish, plastic finish. Different options are given here. You could see here in wireframe. 3D color, you can change the 3D color. So I hope in this tutorial I have covered the whole concepts of drawing toolbar. I know this tutorial is little lengthy, but to cover each and everything it has taken little more time. So I'm stopping my tutorial here only. Just practice each and everything, and this toolbar I know that you will enjoy. So bye bye.